Good morning students, this is the third video of pronouns. In the earlier two videos, you have been taught the types of pronouns, the different types of pronouns. I hope you have understood all the concepts and you have learned it. So in this video we will learn about the remaining types of pronouns. So let's begin. The first one is demonstrative pronoun. A pronoun is a demonstrative pronoun that is used to point to something specific within a sentence. A pronoun that replaces a noun whose identity can be understood from the context. So, what is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun shows the clear identity of the noun. In simple language, you can say the pronoun which shows the clear identity of that particular noun, that will be called demonstrative pronoun. And there are total 4 demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, those, and they are categorized into different groups on two bases. First basis is number. On the basis of number, singular or plural, and the second basis is distance, near or far. So there is a difference between all 4 demonstrative pronouns and they have been differentiated on these two bases. So the first one, this, it is used for the objects for the noun which is near to us and which is singular. Which is near to us and which is singular. These is used for the objects which are plural and near to us. That is used for the objects which are far away but singular, and those is used for the objects which are far away but plural. So on two bases these 4 have been categorized. Now let's move to the next part. There is a term demonstrative adjective. So we have to discuss about the difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. So how you will differentiate between these two? So the criteria is the demonstrative pronoun takes the place of the noun phrase. Means if you see any demonstrative in the noun phrase, then it will be called demonstrative pronoun. Like that smells delicious. It is in the noun phrase. This really hurts. Again, it is a noun phrase, and it is a noun phrase, and the word this is part of that particular phrase. So whenever any demonstrative is in the noun phrase, or you can say it is the part of a noun phrase, then it will be called demonstrative pronoun. But demonstrative adjective is always followed by a noun. So how you will identify whether the demonstrative is demonstrative adjective? So for that there will be noun present after that demonstrative, and then it will be called demonstrative adjective. Like see the example, this book. This is a demonstrative, book is a noun, and as it is a noun, it is in the structure given above, and hence here this is not a demonstrative pronoun but demonstrative adjective. These shoes smell disgusting. Again, shoes noun, these demonstrative, but again it is fulfilling the above criteria, so it is demonstrative adjective. Now let's move to the next type of pronoun, that is distributive pronoun. What is distributive pronoun? It is a pronoun which denotes persons or things of group separately. That's why they always become singular and followed by the singular verbs. This pronoun is used to indicate all the members of representative group. Now, what is distributive pronoun? It is a pronoun which does the work of distribution, which does the work of separation of one or two from the group. it does the work of separation from the group, and as it separates from the group, so it represents the whole group, means there will be discussion about the whole group, and it always be singular, and as it is singular, so it is obvious that it will carry singular verb. Now let's see the distributive pronouns. Here are few distributive pronouns given: each, either, neither, everyone, any, none, no one, etc. These are this is the list of few distributive pronouns. Now let's see few examples using the distributive pronouns. Each of the students have participated in the drama act. Now see, in this sentence the green word is distributive pronoun. How it is distributive pronoun? Because it is doing the separation of the students. Each of the students means first student, second student, third student, fourth student, and so on. All the students have participated in the drama act. It is talking about all the students. Everyone participated, and as everyone participated, one, all the students, so it is representing the whole group of students, and it is separating the students in one form. Hence, it is a distributive pronoun. Next, I may buy either of these two gifts. Now, the group contains two elements. You can say two gifts. Now, the speaker is saying, I may buy either of these two gifts. He has to choose between the first gift and the second gift. So he is doing the separation. He is have to choose. That's why he is doing the separation, and he is discussing about the whole group. That's why either is a distributive pronoun. Neither of them plays well. Again, neither is distributive pronoun. Each one of you will be awarded with bravery award. Everyone must finish the breakfast. Either of you can help me in this matter. So all the words written in green color are called distributive pronoun. Next one is reciprocal pronoun. What is reciprocal pronoun? We use reciprocal pronoun when each of two or more subjects is acting in the same way towards the other. There are only two reciprocal pronouns, and they are both two words. So what is reciprocal pronoun? It is a pronoun when two or more subjects does the same thing. They do the same thing towards each other. In simple language, when two or more subjects do the same thing for each other, then we use reciprocal pronouns. And there are only two reciprocal pronouns: each other, one another. So let's see examples using these. John and Mary love each other. So there are subjects, one subject, there are two subjects, as it was written that there should be two or more subjects. So here we can see John the first subject, Mary the second subject. There are two subjects and they are doing the same work. The work is love. John loves Mary and Mary loves John. So they are performing the same act and they are plural in number. So it will take each other, that is reciprocal pronoun. The 10 prisoners were all blaming one another. Again, 10 prisoners, more than one, it is 10, and they are doing the same thing. What? The first prisoner is blaming the second one is blaming the third one, third is blaming the fourth one, means all the 10 are performing the same work. That's why one another. Why don't you believe each other? Now, if someone is saying why don't you believe each other, means it is the speaker is saying the same thing to both the persons, means both the people are not believing one another, they are doing the same thing. That's why it will take each other. So there are few more things that there should be. Whenever we will write reciprocal pronoun, there should be two or more people, as it was said, two or more subjects. People think group anything subjects, and they must be doing the same thing. So, how you will identify whether we have to use reciprocal pronoun or not? So, for that, there should be discussion about two or more things. There should be discussion about two or more things, and same act, same task must be performed by all the subjects. And if these two criterias will be fulfilled, then it will take reciprocal pronoun, and there are only two reciprocal pronouns, each other and one another. So this much for today. We will meet in the next video with the remaining type of pronouns. Thank you.